Welcome back to another video. What has 2026 so far been about? Matchas, protein shakes, marathons, Diet Coke, and a bunch of investors in San Francisco funding God knows what kind of startups. Market has become a bit saturated, that's for sure. Getting to the point, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to build an agentic workflow using these 3 apps that are available for you. Stay tuned for the video. So I'm going to want you to head over to PartyRock AWS. Now after signing in, so we're going to go ahead and create an app. And over here in this workspace, you can prompt it for an app idea that you want to generate. As an example, I'm going to be creating an agent for financial advisory. We're going to go ahead and click enter. So as we can see, we have a little bit of a workflow over here. We're going to ask the AI to summarize the app for us. I want you to copy this text starting from here. I'm going to go ahead to Perplexity, and over at Perplexity, we're going to use the deep research model. We're going to paste the text over here, and in the end, we're going to ask Perplexity to build us